Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video, ay magsasagot po tayo ng isang math random problem. A fruit vendor sold 120 kilograms of mangoes in a day. If 60% of the mangoes were sold in the morning and the rest in the afternoon, how many kilograms of mangoes were sold in the afternoon? Is it A, 48 kilograms, B, 60 kilograms, C, 72 kilograms, or letter D, 75 kilograms? Feel free to pause the video. All we have to do first is to understand the problem. Sabi dito, a fruit vendor sold 120 kilograms of mangoes in a day. Now, 60% of 120 kilograms ay nabenta na sa umaga. And the rest in the afternoon, yung natira. No, again, 60% ng 120, yun yung nabenta na sa umaga. So yung remaining, yun yung sa hapon. Okay, in the afternoon. Ngayon, ilang kilograms of mangoes were sold in the afternoon? So ang gagawin po muna natin is to get first the 60% of 120. At gagamitin po natin yung ating matrix para mas mabilis po tayo. So, kunin natin ang 60% ni 120. And as we all know, to easily get the 60% of 120, we have to get first the 10% of 120. And as we all know that 10% of any number simply move the decimal point from right to left ng isang movement. So that means the 10% of 120 is simply 12. Since 60% ang kailangan natin, so we need to multiply this by 6. Kasi nga si 12, 10% po ito. At ang kailangan natin 60%. That means we have to multiply this by 6 para ma-meet natin yung 60%. So 12 times 6, that is 12, carry 1, 72. So that means the 60% of 120 is simply 72. So ibig sabihin pala nito, there are 72 kilograms yung nabenta na sa umaga. So to get the number of kilograms sold in the afternoon, we have to subtract 72 kay 120. So 120 minus 72, and that is simply equal to 48. So that means there are 48 kilograms were sold in the afternoon. So the correct answer is simply letter A.